have the Audio-Technica AT-LP60X. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It stands out for its seamless Bluetooth connectivity, letting you enjoy vinyl's warmth wirelessly through aptX-compatible speakers or headphones. Its fully automatic operation simplifies playback. Press start and the tone arm handles the rest, ideal for casual listeners. The turntable delivers a balanced, warm soundstage with decent dynamic range, though intricate details and dense tracks can get overshadowed. Key features like the anti-resonance aluminum platter and redesigned tone arm reduce vibrations, while the built-in phono preamp allows direct connections to most audio systems. The dual moving magnet cartridge ensures reliable tracking, and the inclusion of both 33 and 45 RPM speeds covers most vinyl formats. While the plastic build feels lightweight, its practicality shines through hassle-free setup and dual-wired or wireless flexibility, making it a solid entry point for newcomers diving into analog audio without complicating their space with cables.